What's up, UGC crew? So, your girl has been testing out different UGC platforms and apps and things like that, just to kind of get a feel for them as I'm giving y'all information and tips and kind of helping y'all out along on y'all journeys as well. And I see UGC creators do videos about this all the time about how taking photos is not considered UGC and yada yada, so forth, so forth. However, as a content creator, not just a UGC creator, you have the option if you want to charge for your short form videos, your photos, so you can do photography if you like. That's not the focus as far as UGC, but you can make your coins, make that shmoney, honey. Like, why you gonna stop your money if that's what the brand is asking for? But I'm noticing on numerous platforms that they are actually asking for, in some cases, a short form video, as well as anywhere from 2 to 5 photos. Some companies, they want you actually in the photo so it's more realistic, but they don't want you looking at the camera. And so you have to just be creative and make sure you're paying attention to the instructions and all the details, because you don't want to have to, shoot this work, do all this work and have to go back and redo everything. You know what I'm saying? So there is money to be made. If they want some photos, like, who am I to say no? Like, I know how to do photography if I want to. Like, I'm getting better at it. It's one of those things that, just like with editing, you get better over time. But I just want to show y'all like some examples. Sometimes they will not want you in a photo. They will just want a product photo. And sometimes they will want an actual photo, like I said, with you in it. And so I'll show y'all a couple of examples, but just be creative. And just like when you're doing your UGC content, you are having fun with it. When you love what you do, it don't feel like work. You heard me? So just have a good time with what you're doing. But I'm going to show y'all a few examples, just to give you an idea. And that's your decision, your choice, if you want to charge brands to do photos. Because, like, who are we to say no if that's what the brand wants? They could be using that for their website. They could be using it for whatever they need to use it for. You know what I'm saying? Like, who are we to say the brand doesn't need that? But that's your choice. That's your choice if you don't want to do any type of photos. But why not? If you already doing an unboxing or you already doing a video for the product, why not earn a little bit more money? Why not? Some of them are earlier on when I first began doing UGC, and some of them are a little bit more recent. But I'm just giving you an idea, so you know like what route to go. But like I said, always pay attention to what the brand's asking you to do as well. Because what one brand was okay with, another brand may not be, and so forth. And their aesthetic may be different. Their needs, the needs of the brand may be different. It's like any other gig. When you have the opportunity, you need to make sure that you are actually making sure you don't miss the key pointers on what they're actually asking you for, because you're getting paid for whatever it is that they're asking for. And if you need to increase your pay because they're asking for a whole lot, or they're asking for more than what you normally give or provide, then, that's up to you. Your prices are up to you. You don't have as much flexibility on these platforms, but I'm just saying that I do see them asking for photos. And so I just wanted to give y'all some ideas. So, all right, here they go. those were some ideas that I was just giving y'all. If you've actually had brands ask you for photos, get down in the comments and let me know. Like, does that happen often? Is that something that you do a lot of? Because I just want to know. Yeah, chat it up with your girl. So I'm Chic. Hey, I'm Chic. Nice to meet y'all. If I haven't met you, I am a UGC content creator as well as a trauma recovery specialist. I'm also on YouTube, so you can follow me on there. And I actually charge brands if they want short form videos, like short form content, as well as longer videos because I do have a YouTube channel. And I don't have a huge following, like it's approaching 9K, so we getting there, but I've been on YouTube for a good while. I've had some times where I stopped, but I've been taking it a lot more serious and picking back up on my channel and things like that. So that's something else that you have the choice to do if y'all want to have a YouTube channel. If y'all are interested in knowing more about starting a YouTube channel, or if you've started and you need some tips or some pointers, feel free to ask me. Like, I don't bite, I promise. I don't bite. You heard me? So I'm here to help you. But again, I'm Chic. Y'all have a good one. I'ma catch you later. Bye.